In this video, we're going to take a look at a super cheap and simple way to ship your video games on eBay. But hey, if you're new here, my name is Charles, and my mission is to help 10,000 people create a full-time income online. So if you're new, consider hitting that subscribe button, and we're going to get into the video. Alright, so let's start with the packing items that you're going to need. You will need one of these envelopes. Now this is specifically going to be for DVD size games, so PlayStation 2 through PlayStation 4, Xboxes, and Nintendo games. You can ship DS games, N64 games, Nintendo cartridges like this, but I like to ship them in a box, but that's just me. But you can definitely, with this method, ship it in this envelope. This envelope is the number 0. Let's see if we can zoom in on that. And it's the perfect size for a DVD. You can find these envelopes on Amazon, of course. Office Depot sells them. They're a little bit more expensive. I got mine from Walmart. You can get them in a pack of 5 for under $10. It's going to be about $3 or $4 to ship. Since you can ship that first class mail, it's going to be absolutely, I mean, you can charge free shipping and you won't even notice the difference. Now, for our N64, even the DS games, I like to ship it in this box. This is the priority mailbox. You can get these at the USPS store. You can get them from USPS.com. Any store that has shipping supplies, you can get those there. They're absolutely free, but they're going to cost more to ship. But I like to put the DS and the Nintendo 64 games in there, because that will protect the games. Again, you can definitely, with this method I'm about to show you, ship your DVD, with this method you definitely can ship it in these smaller envelopes, but that's just me being extra cautious. There's another box that I actually don't have at the moment, but there is a small DVD priority mail box. If you have a game that's going to cost you around the $50 mark, if you have a game that was purchased for around the $50 mark, you can definitely ship it in that. The good thing about those and this white small box is that you get $50 of insurance. So lost, damaged, stolen, you get your $50 back. These don't come with insurance. You can add insurance, but now you're almost getting into the priority mail price if you add insurance. So if you need insurance, definitely go with the priority mail box. If you don't, use the method that I'm about to show you. I've never had an issue with this method, so I'm pretty confident in it. But yeah, let's dive into it here. So let's start off with the game. Now this game, the case is Wii Playground. And actually in the case is Wii Sports. Very high sought after game right there. It was already in the case when I bought it from Savers, so that's a win-win for me. $25 all day right there. So what you're going to need is the game, of course, and then you're going to need some pieces of scrap box, cardboard. Now what we are going to do here is we're going to take the game and put it on the cardboard like so, and then you're going to take the end piece and fold it around the game just like that. So we have like basically we're creating a shield for the game. And then we'll take another piece of cardboard, go end to end. Doesn't matter if it's not the same size. What's important is that the game is covered. That's what you want. Now, I'm not going to do this now, but what I usually do if I'm going to ship it is I'll take a piece of tape that together so that you have a good, strong base, and then also tape the other end to hold it closed. And again, this just creates pretty much, you have a still case here, and then from there it goes into the size 0 DVD box. DVD package. Now, if you have a game that's gonna, cost around the $50 mark, and so you can get your insurance, this is when we're gonna take. Oh, let me get it. This is when we're gonna take the small box. Now, this box, filtered out or put together, you'll see about how small this box is. You see, that's a small box. So, N64, DS games, PlayStation 1 games can even go in here. They can also go in that package, but if you have your smaller games, you can put them in here. What I do is I go half with packing peanuts, and I'll wrap the game with bubble wrap, center the game in the packing peanuts, fill the rest with packing peanuts. You want it to be where it's pretty firm when you push on it, and there you go. And there you go. Those are two quick and easy ways to package and ship your video games. But before we go, quick question of the day. What was your favorite game in the Wii Sports? Mine was bowling. I look forward to seeing your comments below. If you got value out of this video, make sure to hit the like button, and I'll see you in the next video.